Hey everybody, just wanted to give you a weekly update. Things are not super exciting here. To keep this week actually digestible, I've decided that you're probably not interested in watching paint dry, and instead I'm just going to give you a quick update. Obviously we are taping everything in an RV. Oh my gosh, there is so many little doodads to tape everywhere. I've been going for a couple days now and I'm still not done. Oh my gosh. But we're getting close. We're going to be priming. We're going to be priming just like in here, everywhere else. I've got to finish that up, and then we're going to be spraying white paint over pretty much everything. And boy, am I tired. But that's all that we're really doing right now. We're probably going to have a couple weeks of this. We may have some other videos coming up about Barndo and Hanson getting back to us, but yeah, I'll give you another update so y'all can see what's going on next week. Catch you guys later. I took a poll and most people said that they wanted a weekly progress video regardless of what we're doing. So ask and ye shall receive. There it is.